on everybody with Beyond Meat. Finally, we've got our buyer from the 78 as we discussed from yesterday. We didn't discuss just Beyond Meat yesterday. We discussed other stocks reporting earnings on our Discord and Bitcoin. And we've got some winners like CVNA did really good, hit our profit taking, and now it's pulling back down. We got eBay and other stocks. And of course, the day before it was for Bloom Energy that did 25%. The linking in description below, guys, to our Hunter channel to discuss the market before the jump. So for today, we got Beyond Meat, the only stock because the old stock is going down in red. As you can see, even GameStop and AMC are in a bit in red, but Beyond Meat jumped big time right now. 15% on the estimation that the good result could be good and for the earnings call. And you see what's happening here, 18% and it's still jumping. Why? Because we got near a major support. Before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. So Beyond Meat, 18, almost 20%. First reason, we've got this current support, guys, really great support. And of course, we have big buyer over the 78. And this is where the market maker and huge whale bought on the squeeze level back on the mid of April. If you remember, guys, once we broke from this channel. As you can see here, this bearish channel, we got a breakout and squeeze. And now we are kind of squeezing again 20% because the last few days we always go up just few percentile and go down, in even consolidating down for a few days since the 21st of April, almost 10 days ago. So this is the first time after 10 days we didn't have any action after the huge squeeze, and now we reversing once again. So what we should watch from now? First of all, we got a confirmed support over the 78. If we held here, would be good because now we got a big buyer adding their position again from the last time they added here. So they adding twice. The second thing is that we should watch out for is any weakness coming near the $1.20, because this will be the confirmation for a weakness or not. What I mean by that, I mean if we went toward the 120 and we don't have a test around the 155 and we got rejected here around the 120, is mean the short is still heavily shorted and is still heavily positioned, and this is might give us a rejection and this time breaking the 78 and flush down. For now, everything is good as long as we are over the 78. But the best case scenario, as we said, continuation over the $1.25 and go directly toward the 150, at least test the 150. And even if we pull back there, holding over the 120 and go toward the $2.17. And this is confirming that the market maker will buy again and adding over the 20 to give us the squeeze toward the $3 and the $4. This is the best case scenario. But as everybody knows, we always have worst case scenario, and best case scenario might never come because we have a lot of factors. We need the fundamental, technical, everything. But be at the right place at the right time in order to have the squeeze. The squeeze is not easy to come, and of course need a lot of factors to come to play in order to have the squeeze. We're gonna discuss this minute by minute, second by second on our Hunter channel on Discord. Of course, if we have this breakout in a pre-market or after hours, we're gonna discuss it there, doing the short and warn our hunters before the jump. And of course, after that on our YouTube channel, 30 minutes before the market open on our live streaming, daily live streaming. So guys, don't forget, we're going to discuss Beyond Meat for tomorrow. For now, the market is doing fantastic, guys, for Beyond Meat. So we're going to discuss as usual tomorrow Beyond Meat. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching and see you all back.